How to enable or disable Galaxy themes recommendation in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, scroll down and you will see Galaxy theme is here. If you want to disable Galaxy themes, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Galaxy theme is disabled. If you want to enable Galaxy themes, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Galaxy theme is enabled. You will enable or disable Galaxy themes from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Galaxy themes recommendation in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.